Look, this is Tyler. I'm back with another video. Subscribe to my channel, thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below. So I'm gonna talk to you about do not buy, and I mean do not buy any vacuum belts off of Amazon. See, the reason why I say this because yeah, people bought vacuum belts off of Amazon. Let me tell you why you should not do it. Hoover. Now, Hoover been in the industry, been out for over 100 years. The reason why I said do not buy cheap belts, just because the picture look good or anything, I could back it up. I could prove it to you. So let's see. I'm gonna show you. Bless me. Let me show you. For one, that's the brand name. That's the brand name of these belts. Nah. Yeah, even though it tell you, oh, he looks high quality. Nah. I'm gonna tell you this right now. Look. Read what it said right there. Read what it said all skewed out. It's shit dirty. I need to read all that. Alright, look. I ain't gonna even try to pronounce the name of it. I'm not gonna do all that. But it's talking about it's premium quality, made of high quality rubber. High quality rubber. And it says durable and flexible. Man. I'll read it. Talking about it's durable, flexible, long lasting, reliability. And it actually comes with the V belt and the flat belt. Alright. It's rubber. Made out of rubber. But we know how rubber is. Burns, snaps, breaks, and then starts melting on the motor shaft. And then it leaves all that crap residue on the shaft of the motor. Look at that. Look at that. That's the belt right there, I think. And yeah, that's the belt right there. That's the belt right there. And it says, work great for 5 seconds. Didn't even last that long. Then a burning smell removed. Yeah, burning smell. And somebody spent $9 on this. I'm going to say this. Shy away from belts that you might think, oh, it's rubber. It's premium rubber. It's going to last long. Sorry to crush y'all's dreams, man. No, the hell it's not going to last long. No, it's not. I've actually dealt with some cheap belts. So, I've experienced. This one says, broke after 3 uses. Wow. So, I'm going to say this. It says the main thick belt works, but the thin one does not. So, this will not work. And this is not even a self-propelled. This is one of those cyclonic machines that has a pulley on it, but it's not self-propelled. Somebody has to wrap electrical tape around it to thicken it. Yeah. If y'all want some real authentic belts, same with Bissell, same with Kirby. Go on eBay or go to your local vacuum shop. They're going to have it for you. Yeah, no, we ain't doing all those. Chinese fake ass knockoff belts, man. Man, look. Alright, look. I got myself these kind of belts right here. And they look authentic because these are the ones that will heat up. Like, these are cloth belts. That's rubber, but it's not like the knockoff brands that cheap, you know. This is the actual Hoover. You want the real thing. Look at that cheap. Look at that. $9 for a cheap belt like that for rubber. And y'all think, oh, it's gonna last long. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. In my eyes, it's shit. You're gambling your money, bro. You're throwing your money away. Think about it. Looks like you're buying some fake ass Jordans, bro. Stop buying the cheap and go on eBay or the vacuum shop and get the real belts. That might last you like a month or so. And a V belt too. That's why I pick and choose and be careful what I buy. Because I'm not trying to get lowballed or finessed. Yeah. I ain't trying to get lowballed. Alright. Watch this. Yeah, nah, this is gonna be, man. Talk about long, lasting, durable, flexible. Still gonna break. Still gonna break. Look at that. Look at that. You know what that reminds me of? A broken VCR tape. Look at that. It's not even quality belts. They just cheap knockoffs. They don't buy the fake shit. And then they selling it. How much they selling it for? Nah, I should report these motherfuckers because y'all selling something. Stay away from these. Get the real belts. Sorry for the farting. I don't have to worry about paying for that. That shit came free. Look at that. Not OEM quality belts. Yeah. You know what I'm gonna do? Oh, never mind. I should report this shit because y'all are really selling bullshit to out here with sellers. Sellers selling some bullshit. And y'all playing with customers out here, taking money out of people's mouths, food out of people's mouths. That's fucked up. So, watch this. Let's go to eBay. Let's show you the real deal. You want some real belts for your bagless self-propeller bag, or any brand. Kirby, Dirt Devil, Auric, wherever. I'll show you the real deal. I'll show you this is the I'm finna say episode, the website I buy off of, the app. I'll show you the real thing. Let's see. So the Hoover 38528-034 is the V belt for your brush roller. Watch this, and the sellers got the real ones.